Assalamu alaikum, our dear viewers. I hope you are fine. I am Engineer Rehanullah. My dear friends, today my topic is about two-room estimation by central line method. My dear friends, this topic is very important for you. If you want to learn two-room estimation, please you watch this video at the end. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. One another thing I want to share with you in this lecture, inshallah, I will discuss about the T junction and L junction. What is T junction and what is L junction? This is the most important point in central line method. Okay, now let's start my topic. This is the two-room plan. The size of one room is 4 by 6 meter and another room size is 6 by 6 meter. The thickness of all wall is 30 centimeter. And this is the cross section of this wall. My dear friend, one another thing you remember in your mind. For finding the estimation, first of all you need to study the plane as well as cross section. This is very important for the estimation. Now let's start the solution. My dear friend, first of all we need to find total center to center length of walls. First of all, I find center to center length of this all wall. How to find this length? First of all, I find this long wall length. The number of this long wall is 2, 1 and 2 and 2. 4 plus 6. This is the size of one room. 4 and 6 plus 0.30. This is the thickness of this wall plus 0.15. This is the thickness of this wall from center. The all thickness is 30 centimeter and I am take from center plus 0.15. This is from another side, from this side. This is the length of this two long wall plus 3. This is for the 3 short wall and to 6 plus 0.15. The length of this wall is 6 plus 0.15, half thickness of wall from this side and half thickness of wall from this side. Total center to center length of wall is equal to 40.1 meter. This is the overall length of this all wall, 2 long wall and 3 short wall. This is center to center length which equal to 40.1 meter. Now I want to explain the concept of T junction and L junction. This is T junction and this is L junction. ये L junction जो है ना, इसमें कोई डिडक्शन नहीं होगा और T junction में डिडक्शन होगा. Why? Now I explain for you. For example, अगर हम क्वांटिटी ऑफ एक्सकेवेशन इस लॉन्ग वॉल के लिए मालूम करते हैं तो इसके लिए हमें सेंटर टू सेंटर डिस्टेंस फाइंड करना है इस वॉल के सेंटर से लेकर इस वॉल के सेंटर तक. और ये लाइन जो है ना वो एक्सकेवेशन शो करता है. ये लॉन्ग वॉल के लिए है. और अगर हम शॉर्ट वॉल के लिए एक्सकेवेशन करते हैं तो इस पॉइंट से लेकर इस पॉइंट तक इस सेंटर से लेकर इस सेंटर तक, इसके लिए हम लेंथ मेजर करते हैं। ये ग्रीन लाइन जो है ना वो एक्सकेवेशन शो करता है। इसमें ये पॉइंट जो है ना, इसमें एक्सकेवेशन 2 दफ़ा होती है। मीन के 2 दफ़ा इसका क्वांटिटी काउंट होता है, और ये जगह जो है ना ये रहता है एस्टिमेशन से। तो ये 2 दफ़ा जो एस्टिमेशन काउंट होता है, इसमें से एक हम इसमें काउंट किया जाता है। तो इसका किस्सा इस पे ख़त्म होता है, इसमें कोई डिडक्शन नहीं होता है। और जब हम टी जंक्शन की बात करते हैं तो इसमें हम डिडक्शन करते हैं। वाई? क्योंकि हमने इस शॉर्ट वाल के लिए जो लेंथ मेजर किया है वो इस सेंटर से लेकर इस सेंटर तक किया है, और ये पोर्शन जो है ना वो ऑलरेडी इस लॉन्ग वॉल में हमने एक्सकेवेशन में काउंट किया है। तो इस वजह से हम जो है ना टोटल लेंथ से हाफ ब्रेथ माइनस। फार्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द क्वांटिटी ऑफ एक्सकेवेशन is equal to summation of this all wall length center to center, which equal to 40.1 meter, minus number of junction, which equal to 2, 1 and 2, multiply by half breadth of excavation. The full breadth is equal to 1.10 meter, multiply by breadth of the excavation, which equal to 1.10 meter, and height from foundation to ground level, which equal to 100 centimeter or 1 meter. And same procedure for all atoms such as breakwork, PCC, DPC, breakwork and superstructure and so on. One another thing I want to share with you, for example, अगर इसी तरह की क्रॉस जंक्शन आ जाए तो इनमें से आपने फुल ब्रेथ माइनस करना है। यू रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट इन योर माइंड। Now find quantity of different atom. First of all, I am find excavation. The length of excavation is 39 meter. This is length of excavation without T junction. The breadth of excavation is equal to 1.10 meter. This is the breadth of excavation, and height of excavation is equal to 1 meter. The height of excavation measured from foundation to ground level, which equal to 100 centimeter or 1 meter. Quantity of excavation is equal to 42.90 cubic meter. This is the explanation for this length. The total length of wall is equal to 40.1 minus 2 multiplied by 1.10 divided by 2. This is the T junction deduction, because the number of T junction is 2, 1 and 2, and breadth of excavation is 1.10 meter. I am divide by 2 because we subtract the half breadth of the atom. Length is equal to 39 meter. This is length without T junction. Now find PCC. The length is 39 meter. The breadth is 1.10 meter. This is the breadth of PCC, and the height of PCC is equal to 0.30 meter or 30 centimeter. Quantity of PCC in foundation is equal to 12.87 cubic meter. The length is same as above. After that, I am find the breakwork in foundation and plinth. First of all, I am find the breakwork for first footing. This is the first footing. The length of first footing is 39.30. This is the length without T-junction. The breadth is 80 centimeter or 0.8 meter. The height of the stiff is equal to 20 centimeter or 0.20 meter. The quantity of first footing is equal to 6.29 cubic meter. And this is the explanation for this length. The overall length is 40.10 minus 2 times T junction minus half breadth of this stiff, which equal to 80 centimeter or 0.80 meter. The length is equal to 39.30 meter. This is explanation for this value. Now find breakwork for second footing. This is second footing. The length is 39.40. The breadth is equal to 0.70 meter or 70 centimeter. The height is equal to 10 centimeter or 0.10 meter. The quantity of second footing is equal to 2.76 cubic meter. Overall length is 10.10 minus 2 times T junction multiply by the breadth of this stiff is 70 or 0.70 meter divided by 2. Length is equal to 39.40 meter. This is the length of second footing. Now find breakwork for third footing. The length is 39.50. The breadth is 0.60 meter or 60 centimeter. The height is equal to 0.10 meter. The quantity of third footing is equal to 2.37 cubic meter. Now for third footing, the length is 39.60. The breadth is equal to 0.50 meter or 50 centimeter. And the height of the stiff is equal to 0.10 meter or 10 centimeter. The quantity is equal to 1.98 cubic meter. And this is explanation for this length. Now find the breakwork in plinth wall above footing. The length is 39.70 meter. The breadth is 0.40 meter. And the height of the stiff is equal to 80 centimeter or 0.80 meter. I find the quantity of breakwork for this stiff combined. 20 plus 60 centimeter is equal to 80 centimeter or 0.8 meter. Quantity is equal to 12.70 cubic meter. The total brickwork in plinth as well as in foundation is equal to 26.10 cubic meter. Now find DFC. The thickness is 8 centimeter and ratio is 1:4. The length is 39.70. This is length of DPC without T junction. The breadth is equal to 0.40 meter or 40 centimeter. The quantity of DPC is equal to 15.88 square meter. If we find the material quantity, then we multiply this value with this thickness, and this is explanation for this length. The overall length is 40.10 meter minus this 2 for the junction multiplied by the breadth of the strip is equal to 40 divided by 2. The length is equal to 39.70 meter. Now find breakwork and superstructure. The length is 39.80 meter. The breadth is 0.30 meter or 30 centimeter, and height of this wall is equal to 4 meter from this point to this point. Quantity of breakwork and superstructure is equal to 47.76 cubic meter. This is now we deduct the door and window. The number of door is 2 and the length of door is 1.20. The breadth is 0.30 and height of the door is 2.10. The quantity of door is equal to 1.512. I am find the volume of the door. The window, there is 2 window and frame. These 2 are the door and these are the window. The length is 1 meter. The breadth is 0.30 meter and height of window is equal to 1.50 and the volume of window is equal to 0.90 meter cubic meter. This is the overall volume of door and window, 2.412 cubic meter. The net quantity of breakwork and superstructure is equal to 45.34 cubic meter. I am just subtract the volume of door and window from total volume of breakwork and superstructure. This is the volume of breakwork and superstructure, which equal to 45.34 cubic meter. My dear friend, it's enough for today. Inshallah, see you with another video. And if you have any question and problem in this lecture, please you comments me. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Bye bye.